We're gonna place it there, and it's gonna be... Hey, what's up guys?
It's Miccolo.
It's Ruth, and this is how we do it. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll be doing a massive unboxing.
Dumating na po lahat ng aming mga in-order.
So ayan guys, before we do the unboxing, make sure that you're already subscribed to our channel.
Ring mo na rin yung bell.
And let's go into the video. Okay, so pag-uwi natin, ang dami na pala nating package.
Yeah, parang dumaan si Santa, hindi natin naabutan.
So, ayan, mag-unbox kami. Actually, yung iba dito, alam ko, in-order ko. Yung iba, hindi ko alam kung saan galing. Yung iba, kay Miko, na madalas tinatago niya. Pero ngayon, makikita ko kung ano yung mga pinamili niya.
Feeling ko, magsimula na tayo. Mukhang napapansin niyo po, guys, ang aming
bagong specs from Sunny Specs. Ayan.
Napanood nyo na to sa video natin kahapon, guys. Pero ito po, isa sa aming mga, kumbaga regalo siguro sa sarili natin.
Yeah. So, ito siya, guys. It comes in a velvet case.
Bagay ba? Comment down below. Yung sa akin, Bruno, yung kanyang, kanyang frame.
Yung akin ay Madison Gray. So, ayan yung ating unang item. Next item ay nipamili namin is my favorite
Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher. Paano ba to? Ferrero Rocher?
Rocher. Comment down below, guys, kung ano.
Ayan, and it's in a heart shape with a ribbon because it's Christmas.
Yeah, regalo ko kay Ruth.
Thank you. Yan, sa Christmas ko na to bubuksan. I'm so excited.
Ito muna yung mga Shopee muna.
Kanina yan?
Kay tita to. Okay, magupit ko, no? And kayo, guys, nakagupit na ba kayo ng in-order nyo sa Shopee?
Oh, no. What is it?
It's a Bible. Holy Bible.
Oh.
New Living Translation. NLT. So, yan, may pagre-regaluhan ata si tita eh. So,
pang-regalo.
Pang-regalo this Christmas.
The Holy Bible.
The Holy Bible. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings this year.
Amen.
Next, ito, sa'yo. Puro sa'yo to eh.
Okay, this package is...
Alam mo na yan, no?
Is heavy. So, ito binili ko sa mga dyan, mahilig sa mga home renovations.
Aba.
I think that is it, ha?
Ay, alam ko na. Ikabit na yan.
It's a...
Ayaw ah.
Oh, nasira!
Ganito na ang pagbubukas ngayon ng regalo this 2020, guys.
Wala nang balot-balot.
Wala. Naka-Shopee lang. Ayaw. Nakadikit pala siya. It's a...
Shower set! Ito na yung ating shower set. Dumating na siya.
Ikabit na yan.
So, meron na tayong shower kasi sira na yung ating shower. So, bumili tayo ng shower. Shower me with your love. So, meron siyang parang square.
Shower head. Love, ingat ko sa mga staples.
Oh, yeah.
Stapler siya.
And there's a gripo. Oh, ba-vlog ni Miko, re-review niya yun. What? Ito.
Gusto niyo ba yun, guys? I-review natin. Pwede.
Comment down below. Okay, next.
Package.
That's mine.
Ayun, Ruth Jimenez. Ang laki. Fulfilled with Shopee din. Shopee din to.
That's mine? I don't remember. Oh! It's my new product haul. Let's open some of it.
Hair mask.
Show it to them.
Ayan, Oranot.
And yung aloe vera gel natin is a cherry blossom body scrub. Okay, let's open this other one. Yan, so meron tayo
Lotion. Hand lotion ba ito?
cherry blossom body lotion, niacinamide. Ito, buy one, take one lang to, guys.
Oh, alam nyo na, yung link nandyan sa comment section, guys. Plus ito magagamit mo pang regalo. Remove Blackheads Pores Trilogy Sweet Suit.
Yay!
Effective kaya yan?
Ito yung mild lang na mga nose strips. So, ayan, mga napamili natin na beauty. Next, ayan na. Ayaw ipakita sa akin ni Mico.
Oh, no! Guys, ayan. Alam niyo na pag JRSA package ni Miccolo.
Oh!
Wow, may freebie!
Wow! Wow!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so pretty. Thank you, love.
Burberry's of London. And we have Balenciaga.
Oh, so pretty. I like this one. It's blue. Blue is kind of my vibe sa patapos ng taon.
Ito yung color of the year.
Oh, yeah. Yellow and medyo gray.
Sino maglalaro dyan ng chess? Pwede nyo na akong laruin. Aray! And ito may freebie siya. Face towel na YSL.
Oh, nice.
Pag maglilego ka,
Wow, yes! And guys, medyo madami na yung mga damit ni Mico. So, tulungan niyo po siyang mabawasan iyon. Follow niyo na AMS Clothing PH sa Instagram and Facebook. Next, let's open this. This is my gift to myself. Wow! This Christmas. So, as you can see, medyo kita naman na sa box.
Experience mo naman.
So, this is the NutriBullet. Ayan, para healthy tayo. So, 2020, we're 2021.
Ano na? Ayaw patapusin yung 2020.
2021. Kasi, we're going to be creating some protein shake, some smoothie, some soup, or whatever.
Ang tutyan.
Ayan, so meron siyang Bullet Pocket Nutritionist.
Nakita mo yan sa Homebodies?
No, I just wanted a juicer. I just wanted to make a protein shake, a smoothie, kasi gusto ko mag-gain ng weight. So, ayan. Ito siya. Let's see if everything is complete. So, nakalagay dito, it's a 12-piece set. What? Ayan siya, guys. So, meron tayong, ito yung pinaka, niya. Ang tawag dito, ayan, base. And there's a, parang short cup. There's a tall cup. Ito, oh my gosh, parang ganon. Hindi nilipat sa baso. Ayan, tapos, meron pa tayong isang short cup. So, ayan, we're complete naman, no? Oh my God, I'm so ready to put, everything in here. This one. Meron siyang mga takip. I'm really excited to try. Para mas healthy na tayo. So, 2021. Health is wealth, guys. Always prioritize your health. But we need to figure out how to use it pa. Ayan, no? So, ganyan mo siya, diba? Nandiyan na lahat yung mga fruits and everything. Tapos, lalagay mo dito. Tapos, we're gonna place it there. And it's gonna be
kukunin mo lang ulit.
amazing.
Tapos ililipat mo gano'n.
Yan. Kuhain mo, tapos tatanggalin mo na. Tapos pag blended na siya, you can just put the handle like this. And then you can just drink it. So happy with my purchase.
Para ka palang nasa Jamba Juice.
Yes. Ready to order na po.
Pag haluhaluin mo ng prutas laba, lagyan mo ng Yakult, lagyan mo ng
Sige, magpabili tayo lahat bukas.
Testing, hanap tayo ng recipe. Let's go! Goodbye. We'll link it down below.
Yeah, I will link it down below, guys. So, ayan guys, ang mga na-unbox namin. Meron ba kayong nagustuhan? So, ayan guys, nag-unbox lang kami ng aming mga packages today. And
comment down below, guys. Ayan, kung ano yung mga binili nyong pang-regalo or baka meron na kayong mga natanggap, no? At binuksan nyo na agad-agad, no? Comment down below ano yung mga Christmas gifts na natanggap nyo po this year. And ayun, dito na magtatapos ang aming video, guys. Don't forget to join our Vlogmas giveaway po. Onting araw na lang po yan, guys, and get a chance to win 5,000
cash! So that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. Ring mo na rin yung bell
And we'll see you on our next video.
Bye!
Bye guys!